Henan Honlu Machinery Equipment Company Limited is a professional food trailer supplier. We have been engaged in sail, towable food trailer, electric food truck, multifunction movable food van, and food machinery equipment. We are located in Zhengzhou with convenient transportation, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff always meets the needs of customers' demands and ensure customers' satisfaction completely. Our company has adhered to the customer orient principle with the business philosophy that we survive and develop depending on super quality and reputation for years. We have professional design team and installation team. Free design drawing for your mobile trailers. Fully equipped or empty body trailers are customizable. Besides kitchen equipment, we also install toilet, bathroom, cooling system, etc. for our customers. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as the North America, Middle East, Europe, South America, Australia, and many other countries, and receive general approval and favorable reputation from many foreign buyers. At present, we are developing new products to cater to market demand from different countries and regions of whole world. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders, whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for our application. We can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We sincerely hope that friends from all over the world come to our factory to negotiate business, visit, and exchange learning.